Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Python projects with Git and GitHub easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have Git installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the Git website and download the installer for your operating system. Once Git is installed, open your command line or terminal. Navigate to your Python project directory using the cd command. Make sure you have initialized a Git repository in your project folder. If you haven't, run the command git init. This command will create a new Git repository in your project folder. Next, check the status of your repository by typing git status. You should see the untracked files in your project. Now, add all your project files to the staging area using git add. This command stages all files, preparing them for your first commit. After staging, it's time to commit the changes. Use the command git commit m initial commit to commit your files. This command includes a message describing the commit, which in this case is initial commit. Now, you need to create a GitHub account if you don't already have one. Once your account is ready, log into GitHub and click on the new button to create a new repository. Fill in the repository name, and optionally, a description. Make sure to keep the repository public or private based on your preference. Once the repository is created, you'll see instructions for pushing an existing repository from the command line. Copy the command that starts with git remote add origin and paste it into your terminal. Replace URL in the command with the URL of your newly created GitHub repository. After setting the remote repository, push your changes to GitHub using git push origin master. This command pushes your local commits to the remote repository on GitHub. If you encounter any errors about authentication, follow the prompts to enter your GitHub credentials. After successfully pushing, go back to your GitHub repository page and refresh it. You should now see your Python project files uploaded on GitHub. To keep your project updated, remember to run git add, git commit m your message, and git push as you make changes. This workflow will ensure your Python projects are backed up and version controlled on GitHub. Congratulations, you've successfully backed up your Python project using Git and GitHub. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.